So in this episode of Viral Rewind, we're looking at the Atom Windows virus. And we're looking at it on the Packard Bell machine running Windows 95A here. And this is a Windows 9X virus, so it's not going to work on any Windows NT based systems or anything that uses a 64-bit processor. So we can see from the icon here that it is a infected copy of Calculator, and Calculator on Windows 95 here is normally 58 kilobytes. This is actually 62.6, so it shows that it does have additional coding added onto it. And when we run it here, obviously it runs Calculator, and it's a fully functioning version of Calculator. 88 divided by 11 of course is 8. But it has done some things in the background. For one thing, it's created a registry entry that modifies our default cursor for the mouse here. Now we're not going to see this effect till we restart the computer and have it load the different mouse pointer. It also drops a file in the C directory, but we're not quite going to look at it yet because I don't want to spoil the payload. But it also infects portable executable files, or PE. So if we look at the calculator here in the Windows directory, it is also now the same size, 62.6. So it also infects Windows applications to help it spread. So let's go ahead and look at its payload. So I am going to restart in MS-DOS mode and then exit out of that so it loads back into Windows that way. DOS, exit, and now it's going to restart Windows. And we'll see the payload of Atom. And again, as I said, it created a registry entry that points to a file that was created in the root directory of the C drive to replace the default cursor. We'll see what that is when Windows reloads here. Getting back into Windows here. And you can see right away that our default mouse cursor is now a picture of Bill Gates. Wait for it to finish loading. And there we have a picture of Bill Gates. And it even has a little arrow in the upper left corner of it to distinguish it as an actual mouse pointer, but it's Bill Gates. Now, that file that it dropped is obviously the cursor file, because if we come down here, here is the file that it dropped, file.cur, so file.cursor. It is just a little 2.18 kilobyte file, and as I stated, it does make a registry change so that the default mouse cursor points to that. So all we have to do is look for file.cur, and this will take about a minute, so I'll probably trim ahead to that point. And here you are, there's the default arrow, and it points to c:/file.cur. So when you reboot Windows after Atom has run, the registry entry will point to that, and it will replace the default cursor with this image of Bill Gates. Now this is of course pretty simple to fix. We can just go into our pointer scheme, and we can just change it to a different pointer and get our normal pointer back. However, even if we did that and drop this in recycle bin to get rid of it along with this, our system of course is still infected with Atom, because I showed you that the normal Windows calculator in the Windows directory was the same file size as the Atom virus version of Calculator. So it's normally 58 kilobytes, it was 62.6, so you still have the infection of the Atom virus on Windows here to deal with, even if you get rid of it and return your cursor back. So that is pretty much it for the Windows 9X virus Atom.